you guys, welcome back. So you know what time it is. It's time to open my Ricky's Cult Crushes box. I just got this in the mail today, so I'm excited. I have something to open for you guys. This is only my second Cult Crushes box because I just started this monthly subscription for this beauty box. And this month's box actually cost me $14. I think my first box was only like 10 or 11, but this puppy is $14 now. So yeah, I'm hoping there's some goodies, good stuff in here, y'all. So let me go ahead and just open this box up and check it out, see what we got. Okay, so just in case you're curious, this is how the box comes packaged. They usually have their little card on top with information on the back, and you get this like pink confetti type stuff that kind of secures all of your beauty products. So that is how this box comes. So let me just take a quick look here. Cult Crushes 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it looks like I'm supposed to have 6 items in this box. So let's go ahead and check it out. I want to just dive in and see what I got. So right on top, I see that I have some face masks right on top, which is super duper exciting. And they're all warm. They're like borderline hot because I live in sunny California and it is like 90, 100 degrees or something outside. It's hot as I don't know what out here. But anyways, so I got some face masks. So let me see what it says here about these face masks. So let's see. AVATARA face masks. Are these all AVATARA? This says Divine Collection, and these two say AVATARA. So let me just take a look at these. This one says Shape Up Face Mask. Keep it together. Keep it together. And this one says Even Out Face Mask. Get the skinny on smaller pores. So very, very cool. I love face masks. So it says here, AVATARA face mask. Get your skin summer ready with these 2 new invigorating face masks. Even Out helps unclog pores, while Shape Up restores elasticity. So those are really, really cool. I love getting face masks. Let me see here. It says here Divine Collection. Is this an extra or? Yeah, I don't see any information on this. This one says, oh, foil tissue patches. Extra firmness for the eyes. So these are like foil eye patches, under the eye patches, which is like really cool. I'm used to the little plastic jelly type ones, but this one looks like it is like a foil that you put under your eyes. So that's different. Very cool. And it says Gold Collagen, 2 units. So I'm assuming this is just for 1 application. Now, let's see here what we have next. SUVA Beauty Pressed Eyeshadow. So this is a really cute package. This is what the packaging looks like. It says SUVA Beauty Shimmer Shadow. Lighten and brighten your eyes by adding a touch of glitter. Perfect for a daytime or nighttime look. This 4-gram pan of shadow has you covered. So let me go ahead and open this up. I wonder if this is magnetic. I'm hoping it's magnetic because I do have a eyeshadow holder, you know, the magnetic palette that I'm trying to fill up. So I don't know. We'll check it out and see. And this is actually, ooh, a very nice size pan of eyeshadow, and it's just kind of in this little sleeve loosely. So I'm going to leave it in there for now. Hopefully it doesn't fall out, but let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys. So that's what it looks like on my finger. Very pretty, nice gold shade. And that's what it looks like swatched, you guys. That is really, really pretty. I'm happy about it. Let me grab my palette holder and see if this is magnetic or not. Okay, you guys, so this is my Ofra metallic or magnetic. Why do I keep saying metallic? My Ofra magnetic palette that I can put pans in. So I'm just curious to see if this is magnetic or not. Because if it's not, I'm probably going to give it away because I don't like loose, free-flowing eyeshadows. And this is in the color The 6. So it's called The 6. Yes, yes. So it is magnetic, so I'm not giving that away. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So next I have this bottle of HAIRFINITY capsules. So these are pills that you take to lengthen and strengthen your hair. I believe I may have taken these before. I'm not sure. I'm not really a pill popper for hair and nails and stuff like that, but it says here, HAIRFINITY, healthy hair vitamins. Let your hair grow long and your nails grow strong with this 7-day supply of vitamins. So it's only 7 days. I don't think that's really long enough to tell, but who knows. They provide your body with key ingredients like vitamins A and D, niacin, biotin, and vitamin B12 to strengthen from the inside out. So this is something that I would never expect to get in one of my beauty boxes, you know, some hair and nail capsules. So this is very unique. So I think that's kind of cool. Not sure if I'll use them. I might just give them away, but that is kind of cool. Okay, so next is this cute little bottle of what looks like rose water. This is what that looks like. And so it says here that this is from Gulsha. So it says Gulsha Ultimate Rose Water Spray. Not your typical rose water spray. This one is produced drop by the distillation of fresh rose petals. It protects, soothes, and tones your skin. Plus, it's the perfect on-the-go pick-me-up for those hot summer days. Okay, so I guess this is like just your basic rose water. I actually love rose water. I actually love rose water, so I have a giant bottle that I keep right next to my makeup. So let me go ahead and open this up and see. Gosh, I can't even get this open, you guys. Oh, so it does have a nice strong scent of roses. If you don't like the way roses smell, you won't like this. It does smell very, very nice, and it's kind of like a soft, you know, not like a harsh artificial rose smell. It smells like a nice soft rose smell, and it says here it's paraben free, glycol free, and colorant free. So no alcohol, gluten, or perfume. It sounds like this is a pretty natural product if you like this kind of stuff. So the company name on here is Gulsha, Gulsha. So that is nice. Let's see what else. Well, I have a product here from Murad, and this is Murad Clarifying Cleanser. This is what that looks like. So it says here that this is Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser, which is really, really cool. I love acne washes for my face because I do have a tendency to break out sometimes, especially if I'm eating a lot of my husband's food that he's cooking, or I had one too many Snickers or cookies or something like that, because I do have a terrible sweet tooth. But I do occasionally use a acne wash on my face. So this is pretty cool to have. So this one says, with more sunshine comes more sweat, which can lead to more breakouts on different areas of your skin. Luckily, this daily gel cleanser combats acne by washing away pore clogging grime, oil, and irritants. So this is pretty cool, and I like the way it looks because it's kind of like a clear face wash, and I do like when products are clear because it just makes me feel like they have less artificial ingredients in them. So this I'm really looking forward to using, and I believe I've used Murad, get it together, Camille. And I believe I've used Murad products before. I believe maybe some of their face masks, if they do have face masks, I believe I might have used some, and I do like them. So is that it? Aww, that's it for my whole box. Let's see. I got my eyeshadow, my face masks, my hair vitamins, my foil tissue patches. Oh, okay. So that is the description. I missed the description on the under eye patches. So it says here, summertime is all about the natural glow, and these 24 karat gold foil tissue patches are here to help. They improve the appearance of your skin around the eyes and lips, providing all-day hydration and firmness. So that was for this. I missed that because on here it says IROHA Nature, and I was looking for something that says Divine Collection. So yeah, this is the IROHA foil tissue patches. So that was for these eye patches. So yeah, that's everything I got, you guys. So it's a pretty cool box, actually. Some very unique items that I would never probably purchase for myself, aside from the face mask. But everything else I probably would never purchase, but I will go ahead and try. So thanks so much for checking out my video on my Ricky's Cult Crushes monthly subscription box opening. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Toodles!